Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 20th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is basically doing a sideways day a little bit. So we are down 34 cents, 0.11%, closed at 308.73. Post-market, we are down by 47 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. After our big green candle of yesterday, that stopped. That stopped at 309.28. Today, we are still following, and we have this double support that's a little bit more clear. So we are still following this support. It's clearer on the 1 hour chart, and we are going to go there in a few minutes. So we made a higher low today, and we also made a higher high, but we could not close above 309.28. So we are really feeling the struggle between the buyers and the sellers. And yes, we have the FOMC that is meeting right now. The meeting started today and is going to continue tomorrow. And they are going to decide if they are going to raise the interest rates in the US by 0.75%. Basically, this is what people are expecting. If they are raising it a little bit more, then this could have an impact on the stock market. If they are raising it exactly at 0.75, maybe this is expected enough that it won't impact the market too much. But we are really inching closer and closer to 309.28. So once we break that, we have another resistance that we need to break. This is also an important resistance at 314. So we have two resistance to break before getting to 350 or so. So once we are past 314, then there's not much resistance and we should be able to go a little bit higher. If I spend a little bit of time on this, we could find a resistance and support absolutely everywhere. Each time we had a resistance or support in the past, I could do this. I could do this for every single point. But then if I did that, would we ever buy a stock? I don't think that we would, because we would be too afraid of all these red lasers. Just like in a movie when you try to break into a safe and you have lasers going everywhere and you're trying to go through them. You try to bypass them in order to get to the safe. So if we would do all of that, this is what it would look like. This is totally crazy. I tend to only show you the important ones, and this means most of the time the ones that has been used in the recent past. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so how did it happen today? So we opened with this candle right here. So went right smack on 309.28, then broke it on the second day. Broke it on the second day, then we came back into it, retouched this support that is perfectly in line with these 2 points here that we made September 16th and also September 19th. At 2:30 also, pretty much smack on it, and then we started going up a little bit, but we still made a lower high, trying to break this again. So really the fight is on between the buyers and the sellers. If we look at our indicators on the 1 hour chart, everything's good. Everything is good, nothing bad there. And if we also look at the indicators on the daily chart, stochastic at 90, super high. RSI over 50, that's great. MACD crossover bullish, that's good for one green thumb up, and we have the 2 lines of MACD above 0. This is good for a second green thumb up, and we have the MI that's there. And our new indicator that is still a temp with us is showing the money flow index, and I'm glad to see that the money is flowing back in. So I am assuming that they are calculating the close, the volume on each close, and trying to understand if people are getting their money out of Tesla or if they are putting their money back in. So I am happy to see that this seems to be inching a little bit higher here. That might be good news. We don't trust this yet, but it's just a little tool that we want to observe. Yeah, let's wait to see what the FOMC is going to do tomorrow, because I think this is going to either help Tesla reach 350 or hinder Tesla. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.